How to check Django version. I have to use Python and Django for our application. So I have two versions of Python, 2.6 and 2.7. Now I have installed Django. I could run the sample application for testing Django successfully. But how do I make sure whether Django uses the 2.6 or 2.7 version and what version of modules Django uses?
Django 1.5 supports Python 2.6.5 and later. If you're under Linux and want to check the Python version you're using, run Python v from the command line. If you want to check the Django version, open a Python console and type
Basically the same as Cooklin's answer, but here it is as an executable command. If you have installed the application,
go to your Django project home directory and do
Everyone, 写我的，不要去说是有什么的。